Hello students, in this video I am going to give you an overview of IB Business Management Internal Assessment. Right, let us move forward. First is the assessment pattern. As you are aware of the whole assessment pattern, there are three components: paper 1, paper 2 and your internal assessment. Paper 1 and paper 2, it is 75%, and your internal assessment, it is 25 marks and 25%. So just you can imagine the importance of your internal assessment while getting your overall grade. Now the elements of internal assessment. There are 4 important elements. First one is research proposal. Of course, this is the starting point of your internal assessment. Here the maximum word limit is 500. Second one is the body. It is called written report, 2000 words. And third one is the summary of your whole internal assessment. That is the summary of your written report. It is just in 200 words. And finally, other things of IA, your cover page or title page, table of content, acknowledgement, bibliography and appendix. So you also write your IA in the same fashion. You start with your research proposal, then you complete the body of the internal assessment, then the summary, then other things of the IA. So this is how the whole thing is written. And hence the word count 500 plus 2000 plus 200, that is equal to 2700 words. Now the summary. 25 marks, 25%. Internally assessed but externally moderated. Research proposal 500 words. Written report 2000 words. Executive summary 500 words. Now the structure. The whole structure of your IA looks something like this. Start with title page, also called cover page. Research proposal 500 words. Acknowledgement, contents page. Executive summary 200 words. Introduction, methodology employed, main results and findings, analysis and discussion, conclusions and recommendation. From introduction 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, what you call body or written report, it is 2000 words. Then references and bibliography, finally it is appendix. So totally it is 2700 words. Alright, now let us look at steps involved in the process of writing the internal assessment. You cannot write the internal assessment in 1 or 2 days. You have to prepare your action plan so that your whole action is completed in 3 to 4 months period of time. So there are 11 steps involved. It can be more also. Just for sake of our convenience, I made it 11 steps. The important are selection of an organization, visit the organization you have chosen, frame the research question, write a research proposal, collection of primary data, collection of secondary data, and analysis and discussion of primary and secondary data. So this is just an overview. In my second video, we will talk in detail about each of these steps. First is the selection of an organization. Which type of organization is suitable for internal assessment that we are talking about. Once you have finalized your organization or business, then you have to visit personally, meet CEO, MD, managers, employees, have an informal chat with them, find out the issues involved, and from there you frame a research question. Once these 3 steps are over, the most important part of your internal assessment, this is the research proposal, 500 words. It is written in future tense and this is your primary planning document, and this is kept on editing until you submit your final essay. Once you are done with the research proposal, then you collect the primary data. But question is how to collect the primary data. You may conduct an interview, personal face-to-face interview, personal interview, web-based interview, surveys, group discussion, panel discussion, observation, etc. Then you have to collect the secondary data if it is necessary, because for HLIA, primary data is the most important, 80 to 90% primary data, and the rest you may use the secondary data, something from the website or something from the company's financial statement, balance sheet, etc. Once this is collection is over, then you have to analyze and discuss the primary and secondary data using various analytical tools that we have already covered in our classes. Step number 8 is write the conclusion. Step number 9, recommendations. Then you write the executive summary. Finally, other components will involve title page, table of contents, acknowledgement, references and bibliography, and finally it is appendix. So these are all the 11 steps involved in writing the internal assessment. Now the big question is the selection of an organization. This is your homework also. I have given you the 12 different types of business organization. You decide which is the most important or suitable organization for business management internal assessment. You can post your answers on our WhatsApp group. If possible, you can also write a 1 or 2 line of justification. Why do you think this particular organization is suitable or why this is not suitable? Is it clear? Thank you. Have a good day.